Hello everyone. In addition to my previous video, today I will discuss mainly about GOV, GOV, and GSV. In my previous video, you already know that GOV is total observed volume. To discuss further, GOV is the total observed volume quantity of cargo tank based on ullage measurement after cargo tank ullaging already corrected for trim and UTI ullage correction. Some other ships are built with ullage table that UTI corrections already included. This means that whatever readings you get from UTI during tank inspection can directly be entered into the ullage table equal to its equivalent equals to its equivalent volume. Okay guys, so in this video I have prepared 3 sets of example how to get GOV. Okay guys, we go to example number 1. Example number 1, we have ullage of 1.5 meter and our ship is in even keel. Okay, so even keel, no correction for trim. So we have UTI correction of 50 centimeter. So in this case, we are going to look for corrected ullage and GOV. Okay guys. So here we have ullage equals 1.5 meter minus UTI correction of 50 centimeter equals 0.5 meter. So the corrected ullage is 1 meter. So this corrected ullage guys, we will bring this corrected ullage to the ullage table and we will look for 1 meter. So this is 1 meter and the quantity is 1000 cubic meter. Okay guys, so the TOV is equals to 1000 cubic meter. Okay, because as you can see in the ullage table, 1 meter of ullage, corrected ullage, is equals to 1000 meter. Okay guys, example number 2, we have ullage 1.5 meter, UTI correction 50 centimeter, and trim 1 meter by stern. Take note guys that if trim by stern, we have to plus, and if trim by head, we have to minus. Okay, now we are going to look for corrected ullage and TOV. Okay guys, so corrected ullage equals 1.5 meter minus 0.5 meter. As I said before, 0.5 meter because we have UTI correction of 50 centimeter plus trim correction. Okay, we have here 0.10 meters. Why? Because we have trim 1 meter by stern. So this 1 meter by stern, we are going to look into the trim correction, how much the value of 1 meter trim. Okay, so 1 meter in the trim correction table, we have here 1 meter trim is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay guys, 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is 0.10 meter. So corrected ullage is equals to 1.10 meter. So the corrected ullage, we will bring into the ullage table. So we go 1.10 is equals to 1,100 cubic meter. Okay guys. Take note also guys that ullage table sometimes also in barrels. But in this example, I used cubic meter. Okay guys. So this either be in barrels or in cubic meters. Okay guys. So we have example number 3. Ullage of 1.5 meter. UTI correction. For example, no correction. No correction because this means that the ship is built that ullage UTI correction already included. Okay, so ship is in even keel, so no trim correction also. So we will find the corrected ullage and TOV. The corrected ullage will be immediately as is 1.5 meter. Okay guys, corrected ullage 1.5 meter. So we will go directly into the ullage table and we will look for 1.5 meter ullage. The equivalent is 1,500 cubic meters. So TOV is equals 1,500 cubic meters. Okay guys. Now we will go to GOV, gross observed volume. Okay. GOV is the total volume of cargo already deducted for free water. Is the total volume of cargo already deducted for free water found in the cargo inside the tank. Okay guys. Free water is the settled water content found at the bottom of cargo after loading. Okay guys. So we go to the formula for GOV is GOV equals TOV minus free water. Example, TOV equals 1,500 cubic meters. Free water 100 cubic meters. Okay guys, again the free water is found during tank inspection after loading. Okay guys, this is the free water. So the answer will be GOV equals 1,500 minus 100 cubic meter. So we have GOV of 1,400 cubic meters. Okay guys. So let's go now to GSV, gross standard volume. Okay. GSV is the gross observed volume of cargo multiplied by volume correction factor. Okay. VCF can be found by entering observed temperature and API gravity in the following tables. Table 54 alpha for cubic meters at 15 degrees Celsius. Unrefined petroleum. Table 6 alpha, 4 barrels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, unrefined petroleum. Table 54 Bravo, 4 cubic meters at 15 degrees centigrade, refined petroleum. Table 6 Bravo, 4 barrels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, refined petroleum. Okay guys? Take note the difference guys. So if we are calculating liquid cargo in cubic meter, we are going to use table 54 alpha for unrefined petroleum. What are unrefined petroleum? For example guys, crude products are unrefined petroleum. Okay, crude oil. So if we are using ullage table for cubic meters, we will use table 54 alpha. if we are using ullage table with barrels, okay guys, we will use 6 alpha. In crude petroleum products, okay? In crude, meaning unrefined petroleum, okay guys? But if we are calculating for refined products, we will use 54 Bravo for cubic meters and 6 Bravo for barrels, okay guys? For refined products, for example, gasoline, that is refined products, okay guys? So now we go for the formula for GSV. Okay, GSV equals GOV times BCF. Okay, example number 1, GOV equals 1,400 cubic meters. Observed temperature 35 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, API gravity equals 15. So we will have a BCF of 0.9868. Why? Because we will enter this temperature, observed temperature of 35 degrees centigrade, and API gravity into the ASTM table 54 alpha. We will get, for example, 35 degrees centigrade. We will get the API 15, so we will get the value of 0.9868. Again guys, this is an example, okay? On board ships, this is almost similar, okay guys? So we have BCF of 0.9868. So now GSB equals 1,400, okay, cubic meter times 0.9868. So we have GSB equals 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Sometimes they also call it as net, okay, net cubic meters, okay guys? 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Now, I also prepare another example if we will use the quantity in barrels, okay? So, example number 2. We have the GOV equals 8,805.734 barrels. Okay guys, take note that it is now in barrels. The observed temperature is equals to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, I used barrels, so I used also the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, if we use barrels, you will use temperature in Fahrenheit. So now we have also API 15 and the BCF will be 0.9871. Why? Because we will enter into the table 6 alpha, the temperature 95, this is 95, and API 15. So we will get the value of 0.9871. Take note guys that if you use barrels, you will use also temperature of Fahrenheit, and you will use also table 6 alpha for unrefined cargo. If you are calculating for refined cargo, you will use 6 Bravo. Okay guys? So now the answer will be GSB equals 8,805.734 barrels times 0.9871. This is the BCF. So we will get GSB equals 8,692 decimal one for barrels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes they call it net barrels. Okay guys? So until here for now guys. In my next video, I will discuss the continuation of the terminologies that I have said before, and I will continue the other terms that I have not yet tackled. So for all those who are watching, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my videos. Bye for now, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.